The nature of consciousness as a fundamental principle. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. From a theosophical perspective, consciousness is regarded as a fundamental principle of existence, akin to the metaphysical concept of the absolute. This view posits that consciousness is not merely an emergent property of physical processes, but rather an intrinsic aspect of the cosmos. In this framework, consciousness is seen as a universal force that permeates all levels of existence, from inorganic matter and the most rudimentary forms of life to the highest spiritual entities. This ontological stance challenges the reductionist view prevalent in contemporary neuroscience, which often relegates consciousness to a mere epiphenomenon of brain activity. Moreover, this understanding of consciousness as a fundamental principle invites us to reconsider the very fabric of existence. If consciousness is indeed a primary aspect of existence, then it suggests that all matter is imbued with a form of consciousness, leading to a more holistic view of the universe. This perspective encourages a deeper exploration of how consciousness interacts with the material world, potentially revealing a symbiotic relationship that has profound implications for both science and spirituality.